Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if you are not able to log in with your PS app right on PlayStation portal. Example, I'm going to tap the settings and I'm trying to scan the QR code. So I'm approving it after scanning, but it is not allowing me to sign in. So I'm going to give OK. I'm going to do it manually, enter code manually. So here on your PlayStation portal you can see this sign in manually. You need to press this options button. Okay, sorry, this yes, options button. So there is a symbol, right? So you need to press this options button. So here you need to provide your email ID. Superb. So it's connected. So I'm going to select the PSY. So I have this console. So this is the one. Is it active now? So I'm going to give continue. That's it, friends. So X to play. Yes. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can choose alternate way to sign in your PlayStation portal. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.